Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about auto insurance review, and we will find out at the end of this video that this is a scam or a legit website. So auto insurance is considered a legitimate entity. However, it does not provide direct insurance quotes or policy. Instead, it collects personal information from user and sells this data to various insurance provider, which can lead to a barrage of unsolicited calls and emails from those companies, right? And it's very irritating. So here now let's see this. Okay, this is a Better Business Bureau here, and we have found this complaints, right? And by the way, this all are complaints, right? So here you can see themselves as insurance company that cut off the middleman to save the customer in the most money, that did not cut out the middleman at all. They sell all your data to insurance agency, right? They are very deceptive in the practices and not upfront about what they do. Okay, and as you can see here, there are hundreds of reviews about this, right? And you can just keep going this, you can keep reading this about here. Same thing, here's the pros and cons. They have gave around 3 star, and here they just advertise themselves as a really good website, but they sell the data in the back end. Here I found a Reddit website here. Auto insurance reviews, buyer beware, they are not legit. Here you can just watch this video if you want to do this, and here you can see hundreds of reread it, and here you will find a lot of which this says, and they say is that thanks, I will check it out, but I found that the comparison chart of car insurance help and got a way cheaper policy without needing to share any of my personal info. Okay, that's a good thing. Same thing here. I found another website which says here, auto car insurance review, right? You can just find out. So in some of the cases, it's useful, but it's not all in the cases. That's why you can see 1 star reviews are highest here and misrepresented the entire experience. This platform is a Joe waste of time. They made an ad faking being on the Joe Rogan post, 17 unwanted phone call within 2 hours. That's really bad, man. Save your time. What your auto knows about auto code. So here you can just read. They are not following any of the stuff here. I was looking for homeowner insurance, and I got 50 calls and 25 emails from the firm asking the same information I inputted. Some ask for SSN. I have spent 3 days marking numbers as junk. Of course, they are really spamming websites. So if you want to go through it, you can go through it, but you can get these consequences here because they are going to badly spam your phone number, email, and calls and everything. So it's up to you. I hope you found this review video very useful. If you did, subscribe.